Don't forget when you're finding x-intercepts, that means you're setting y equal to 0. So in all these different cases, you got multiple options. I'll pick and choose. If I do this one, that'll be done roughly the same way. These are two-factor problems. These are two-factor problems. But one thing I might suggest in this one here, when you set that equal to 0, I would take out a 6 or take out anything you can. So take out a 6 and you're left with x squared minus 4. Now the 6 out in front has no x attached to it, so that means there's going to be no solution that goes with it. But you've still got it out there in factored form. That factors to be conjugates, x plus 2 and x minus 2. These are all still equal to 0, keep in mind. So the zero product property says solve for x with this, solve for x with that. Even if you solved for x with this and you set this equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0, add 2 to both sides, you get a 2. And if it's an x-intercept, 2, 0 is the appropriate way to write that. You subtract 2 from both sides, you get x equals negative 2 here. If you try, and so negative 2 comma 0. If you try and set that equal to 0 because you forgot, hopefully you'll recognize that that doesn't make any sense. So 6 is not equal to 0. There's no x there's no x involved to make it equal to 0. So that just by default goes away. And you can do this the same way. I would factor out the 5 first, put it out in front, and then what you have left is something that you'd then be able to factor and go from there. Something like this, again, I plugged in 0 for y on that side, and that's what you can do with all these. You plug in 0 for y, it makes it much more straightforward if it's a linear equation like this. It's 5x equals, minus 3 times 0. I jumped the gun there. Okay, I want to show you, I plugged in 0 for y to solve for x, to find the x-intercept. So this I can just eliminate. 5x equals negative 20, which is what I almost wrote, divided by 5. So the x-intercept is negative 4, okay, or more appropriately negative 4, well, the way it's written here, and I'm just seeing that, negative 4 is the x value. The x-intercept would be appropriately written as negative 4 comma 0. So if you just put, because of the x equals, if you put negative 2 and positive 2, that's fine. This is the point of the intercept. And in both of these cases, you're factoring, and you'll have two solutions, so I'll let you do that.